Planting peppers with Abby. That's me.
Hi guys, today we are going to be planting some yellow peppers and some orange peppers. So here are the orange peppers, seeds, peppers to seeds. And then here are the yellow peppers. So we first are going to put the dirt here. And the reason we have dirt is so the plants can grow into the soil and get the nutrients, because in the soil there's a lot of nutrients. Let's stop it there. And also the soil helps anchor the plants. So the right hand side is going to be the orange peppers. And then the left-hand side is going to be the yellow peppers. So now we are going to put the seeds in. The orange peppers. Now you sprinkle the seeds onto the soil. And then you just cover them up when Now you're going to add a little bit more soil to cover them up. And when you are covered, you water that. To pat them down so that all the soil is the last thing we're going to do is put the plastic dome on top so they can stay nice and cool. Now we're going to check them out to 4 to 5 days.
How to draw a pepper plant. How many peppers can you find? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 peppers in total. Identify the peppers. Bell peppers, poblano peppers, Banana peppers. Jalapeno peppers. Lots of peppers. Cayenne peppers. And habanero peppers. How peppers reproduce.
When pepper plants are ready to reproduce, they produce flowers. Let's take a closer look at a pepper plant flower. A flower has both male and female parts. The male part is called the stamen, which is made up of the filament and anther. The anther has the pollen. The female part is called the pistil. It's made up of the style and stigma. The pollen can be distributed by wind, which lands on the stigma and self-pollinates the flower. Or it can also be pollinated by pollinators, such as bees. Then eventually, the peppers form.
What's growing in the greenhouse?
Hi guys, we planted the tomato plant and they're growing quite big and they're growing hydroponically. There's peppers and tomatoes. They're growing so good. Look at how big they are. And we got some basil, oregano, and mint. We've got some dill over here. Dill, strawberries. There's a strawberry. Just a little bit more. And then we have tomatoes. Cherry tomatoes. More tomatoes. We have a big one right over here. Yellow boy tomatoes these are. They're going to turn yellow and golden. And these are peppers. You can see over here there's a big pepper. My pepper. The peppers. They're quite big. And then over here, squash and more tomatoes. We love tomatoes. Squash and tomatoes. Yeah, that's all we have that we're going. Bye.
Planting peppers with Abby. That's me.